Hi everyone, I'm Carlotta Castelluccio. I'm a cloud advocate in Microsoft, and together with my colleagues, I will be in Kraków for EuroPython 2026 from 15th to 17th of July, talking about Python, AI, cloud native development, agentic systems, and the latest innovations across the Microsoft developer ecosystem. If you will be there, there's a couple of talks you don't want to miss out. First, on July 16th, my colleague Marlene Mangami will deliver The Pursuit of Purity. Python has become the language of choice for AI, but AI is also raising important questions within our industry. So Marlene will explore how developers can adopt AI responsibly, productively, and thoughtfully while navigating the rapid changes transforming software development. Then, on July 17th, my colleague David Rousset will present When Python Agents Meet 3D. So in this session, you'll see how Python-powered AI agents can control Blender using natural language, turning simple prompts into editable 3D scenes, and automating complex creative workflows. And after the talks, come find us at the Microsoft booth. So whether you want to discuss Python, AI agents, GitHub Copilot, Microsoft Foundry, Foundry Toolkit in Visual Studio Code, agentic development workflows, and so on and so forth, we'd love to meet you. So if you're coming to EuroPython 2026, add this session to your schedule, stop by the Microsoft booth, say hello, and let's talk about what's next for Python and AI. Looking forward to meeting you all there. Bye-bye.